Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Excellent Manish. Say, how are you? I hope you are doing well. I'm here fine. Today, we are going to learn three different ways to do sum in Excel because sometimes we want to add, we are using calculator, but Excel does not need calculator. Excel itself calculate if he knows the way how to do. So today we are going to learn three ways for doing sum in Excel sheets. Let's come to our sheet with example. You can see here one data is again very basic data I taken. The month and sales turnover. Now I will teach you three methods. Three. Now method number one, how? Go here, use equal to SUM, open bracket, select and close bracket, enter. You got 4,788,100. This is the first method. Now go for the second method. Select all, go on the home tab. After home tab, go here, AutoSum. You can see here, AutoSum. Click AutoSum, automatically it will come. This is the second method. Now the third method is auto select. What you have to do, alt equal to this is the way you can select all and automatically some formula will come and enter. You find the total came 4,788,100. I hope this basic things you understand. Very simple thing but very usable while we are working. So, thank you so much. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel. Please comment. Thank you so much.